The rain slowly fades, washing over the broken streets of a silent city. Mist drifts through the air as the storm finally releases its grip on the skyline. In the distance, the giant creature lies motionless, powerless and defeated. The glowing energy around its body dissolves into shimmering particles and disappears into the sky. Silence returns to the battlefield, bringing a calm the city has not felt in a long time. At the center of the ruined street stands Captain America, steady and unbroken. His iconic shield reflects the soft light of the clearing clouds. Water drips from his helmet as his breathing slowly returns to normal. Though exhausted, his eyes remain filled with courage and determination. Each step creates ripples across the glowing puddles beneath his boots. The gentle wind carries away dust, mist, and the final echoes of the battle. Above him, dark clouds slowly begin to part. Warm sunlight breaks through, painting the city in golden reflections. Shadows fade as hope quietly returns to the streets. Captain America lifts his gaze toward the rising light. His expression softens, calm, proud, and peaceful. The battlefield transforms into a symbol of survival and renewal. The city breathes again, free from fear and destruction. Because even after the darkest storms, hope always rises. And as long as courage lives, light will always overcome the darkness.